Well, hello there. This is Paul Stivers, loan officer in Embrace Home Loans. We're here at our Fairfax branch office, and this is
Sterling Jim Trouts of eXp Realty.
so this year has been a very difficult market for many home buyers out there. It's just a lot of competition with much lower inventory. It has been very common for some buyers to take several months to actually finally land a contract on a home. And they're all, we seem to be in competition, and oftentimes are 10 or more offers on some properties in some areas. So what I wanted to talk to Jim about today is what he does. What do you do to help your home buyer clients win in this competitive market?
Well, thanks for asking me that. Honestly, we've been pretty competitive in being able to get people through multiple offer situations. And I think it all starts with making sure that whatever offer you put in is a competitive offer. Now, what do I mean by a competitive offer? What is it that makes your offer more attractive than somebody else's? Sometimes it may be a matter of how much earnest money you're willing to put down. I mean, a lot of people will put down about 1%. We have a mutual client that just recently said, well, we want to make sure we get this offer. So if we put down more earnest money, will that help out? Absolutely, because what that does is it demonstrates to the seller that you're serious about what you want to do. Sometimes there's other terms inside of the contract that you can help yourself along with. For example, I've got a VA buyer right now. VA doesn't require that you put any kind of money down at all. But one of the things that we did to get through the multiple offer situation was my client said, I know I don't have to put any money down, but would it make a difference if I put 5% or $30,000 down? And I told them, absolutely. You have $10,000 earnest money, $30,000 of down payment, even though you don't need it. That's something that's really attractive to a seller because it makes them, they understand that you're serious about what you want to do. Sometimes it's a matter of the terms that you'd like to do. For example, instead of taking 45 days to close a loan, sometimes sellers would rather just get that home off the market. So if you're working with a good lender like Paul, who can close a loan really quickly, you can make the closing date somewhere between 20 and 30 days from the time that you start until the time you're getting the keys to the house. And believe it or not, a personal letter.
Right.
A lot of times people are emotionally attached to their homes, and I have my clients sit down and write a letter and say why they like the house so much. What is it about that house that makes them want to buy it? And a lot of times that emotional attachment between my clients and the people that are selling the house is really the difference. But you know what really helps a lot?
What's that?
What really helps a lot is after we write the offer and after we submit it, if I tell the clients, hey, look, Paul here is my lender. I'd like you to call Paul, talk to him, and let him vouch for how solid my clients are as buyers.
Right.
You would be amazed at how far that goes if they were to talk to you, and you can sit down and say, look, I've pulled their credit, I've pulled all their documents. They're not just pre-approved based on what they say. I've gone through everything. We're into underwriting, and my guys are solid. So,
Right, and not only that, but how solid Embrace Home Loans is, right?
Sure.
And what sets us apart?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, and what sets you apart is just that, the fact that you can close loans quicker than a lot of other people, that you pull all these documents, that you've got programs. And it's not just a matter of a sale. It's a matter of making sure our clients are taken care of, and the sellers that we're trying to buy the house from are feel good about what's going on.
And our guaranteed on-time close.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ask me about that.
Yeah, great.
Right.
So those are some things that we can do, and those are some really simple things, but things that really mean a lot as to how it can get you through a multiple offer situation. I mean, there's a lot more, but I mean, those are the basics, really.
Well, that's been great, Jim. I hope that's helped a lot of our viewers out there. And until next time, this is Paul Stivers of Embrace Home Loans, and
I'm Sterling Jim Trouts of eXp Realty.
see you soon.